What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this episode, I'm going to introduce my Chevy C30. It's a 1982 Chevy C30 and about what I got planned for the future on it. So let me go ahead and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is my C30 right here. I've been working on it for about 3 years already. I'm about to put that tire on right now. I had to use it on another truck, so I'm gonna go take it off of that truck right now and I'm gonna put it on so we can go ahead and take it for a little drive. I actually put a Suburban front end on it. It's a 91 Suburban front end. I really like that front end, that's why I went ahead and swapped it with that one. And I also went ahead and put the doors out of that Suburban because those are power doors and they used to be manual, so I really like the power windows and stuff. I haven't worked on it in a while because I've been kind of on a tight budget, but I really want to start working on it already. I do have plans on dropping it. I want to do a 5.7 drop on it, a static drop for now. Eventually I do want to do a airbag suspension on it, but for now maybe I'll do a static drop, a 5.7 drop on it. I did put a Cummins 12-valve engine in it too. I'll go ahead and show you that in a little bit here before we get it started, but let me go ahead and get that tire put in. Catch you in a little bit. Okay, so we got the tire here already. We got the jack. We're getting ready to put it up. It's probably gonna be a little hard because it's been raining here a lot and it's kind of muddy under the truck. I hope the jack doesn't sink too much, but let's give it a try. Got the tire on. Man, that was a little bit of a pain because the jack keep getting sunk in the mud. but I finally got it. Like I said, I have a Cummins, a 12-valve Cummins engine in it. I put it on about 2 years ago. Let me go ahead and show it to you guys. There it is. It came out of a 92 Dodge first generation, and it's all hooked up, everything in it. Now let's see if it'll start. I haven't started it in a while. Maybe, I don't know if the battery is going to be dead or not, but let me go ahead and give it a try.
Okay.
All right, it looks like the battery's still good. Man, there's some water in there. Let me go ahead and rev it a little bit to get the water out. All right, we'll go ahead and take it for a spin. Try to get all that water out of the exhaust. I don't know why all that water gets in there. I always put a bucket over it, but somehow the water manages to get in there with the rain. But let's take it for a spin so y'all can see how it drives. I also put an MV 4500 transmission in it. It used to be an automatic, but now it's 5-speed. All right, well, there you have it. Like I said, this is my 82 C30, and like I said, I do plan to do a 5.7 drop on it. I also want to do a paint job on it and a few other modifications. I also have my 2010 Ram 3500, and that's my daily driver right there. It's kind of dirty right now. Like I said, it's been raining a lot lately, so it's a little dirty. I do want to do a bit of a lift kit on it too. Maybe later on I'll probably do videos on this one too when I work on it. So if you like this, if you want to see more progress on my 82, I'll be doing the drop kit here pretty soon. I'm gonna go ahead and order the parts for it, and I'm gonna do a flip kit on the back and put some dropping coils and spindles in the front. So if you like that, if you want to see the progress, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like it, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.